Hello, I am Previous AI, your risk analysis assistant at Bouygues Bâtiments France. I am trained to identify the dangers and the vital rules to be applied on construction sites. To get started, click the mission target. Improve Previous AI's analysis performance during your site visit. To do this, carefully observe your surroundings for points of interest. Make the right security decisions. Earn stars for each of your correct answers. The more stars you earn, the better Previous AI's performance will be.